This is the easiest caramel dip ever, and let me tell you, it is one of my favorite things to eat. All you need is some cream cheese, some caramel dip, and some Heath toffee bits. I like to make it on a smaller plate, so you're just gonna plop down the cream cheese, and then you're gonna pour the caramel on top. When I'm using the kind that comes out of the packaged container, I put it in a separate dish and microwave it for a few seconds just to soften it a little bit. And I'll tell you, you will not be able to stop eating this. And for me, we're able to get apples pretty much year round, so this is a all year long dessert. So just smooth out the caramel, and then you're gonna put some toffee bits on top. And while I was making this video, this was just for a friend and I, and by the way, we ate the entire thing by ourselves. And she doesn't care if I use my hands. If I'm making it for a big group, I usually will use a spoon or put it into another container just from the bag, shake it on top. Now, that's not going to be enough toffee bits forever. We go through them fast, so I put some on the side, and then I continue to put them back on. So I put my smaller plate on top of a bigger plate, and that's how I like to serve it with my apples. Now, I use about 4 whole apples for this, and sometimes even more. This gets eaten all the way through. We never have leftovers of this. So for the video, I just put 1 apple, but you can see how much I normally use in just a minute. So when you cut this off, this flavor of the sweet with the cheese and the apple and just the texture of those toffee bits, it really is the perfect dessert. And you can pick up the ingredients on your way home from work and just throw it together. It takes no prep. You can make it harder on yourself and make your own caramel topping, but you really don't have to do that. So when I serve it with a lot of apples, and I put extra toffee bits on the side, and the extra caramel I leave out, and sometimes I even put mini chocolate chips. You can get the full recipe at messyjoyfuljourney.com.